Hi guys.
Okay, this week is Dr. Seuss week at school, and and Emmy's homework is
To make green eggs and ham.
okay. So we're gonna be making green eggs and ham, and you are gonna eat it. Are you gonna eat the green eggs and ham?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
We're gonna try some green eggs and ham. Hold on. Okay, we have our ham, egg. We have a little bit of coconut oil. I don't know if you can tell. We're gonna color that green. All right, so we have our things here. We are going to break the egg right here.
Whoa, look at that yellow man.
We're gonna put a little bit of green there, just a little bit, and then we're gonna put a little bit of green on our coconut oil.
And we're gonna mix it?
Yes.
Mix.
And the coconut oil we're gonna mix. Oh, I don't think it's really mixing that well.
Oh my god,
That's okay. It'll be green, I guess. Let's see. Mix it.
Wow, it's getting green, Mom.
Yeah.
Wow, we almost got it in the...
Oh my goodness, it's turning very green.
Very green.
Very green. And because who likes green eggs and ham?
Me!
You. I'm going to cook this egg with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then this one, the green, let's see if we can make this ham green with the coconut oil. And is it working?
No.
Yes, it's turning green. So our ham is turning green. Let's turn it the other way. Let's turn it the other side, and we're making green ham. Let's see how it looks when we cook it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have our green coconut oil. We're gonna just use up the rest of that in a hot pan. Ham. And here's our egg. We added some salt and pepper. Our green eggs and ham.
Yum.
So, are you gonna try it?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yum. All right, there you have it. We have our green eggs and ham, and we have our book here, Green Eggs and Ham. We're gonna read. It's a little something fun to do for Dr. Seuss week. We made green eggs and ham. Now you gotta eat them. All right, like, subscribe, comment, and until next time.
Subscribe,
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.